Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on saving passwords in the Apple Passwords app on iPadOS 18. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. With iPadOS 18, there is now a built-in password manager called Passwords. It is a very effective place to store and manage all of your passwords. It will also be in the new iOS and macOS, so your passwords can be integrated between your devices. It is protected by Face ID, so your passwords are safe. To save your passwords to the Passwords app, open the app and tap the plus icon in the bottom right. Now enter the name of the website or app. Enter your username and then your password. My screen recorder has automatically blurred the password field out for security, but you will see it below username. The app will automatically generate a password. If you already have the password and want to save it, you can just remove the generated one and type or paste your password into the password field. You can add a note if you would like. Tap Save in the top right to save your password. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more iPad tips and tricks.